In today's video, I'll teach you how to disable ad blocker on Chrome. First of all, launch open Google Chrome on your device. You can see over here Google Chrome has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to disable the ad blocker, what you have to do is tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option settings that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to access the settings. You'll be able to find various options over here. What you have to do is scroll down. Now over here you'll be able to find this option for site settings. Tap on it. Now you'll be able to access the site settings over here. Scroll down in this interface. Under the section for content, you'll be able to find this option for intrusive ads at 5th. What you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here right now the button for intrusive ad is toggled off. That means ads are blocked on sites known to show intrusive or misleading ads. So if you want to disable it, what you have to do is toggle this button on. Simply tap on this button. Now you can see over here any site you visit can show any ad to you. That means now ad blocker has been disabled and you'll be able to see ads in any sites. So like this, you'll be able to disable the ad blocker. So that is how you disable ad blocker on Chrome. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.